Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character shuā. Step by step, I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Shuā. Shuā, book. To write. 书写 document. For example, 书写 书写 to write. Now check this sentence. Please write your name and address in print. 姓名和地址请用印刷体书写。Please write your name and address in print. 姓名和地址请用印刷体 in print 书写 write 姓名和地址 name and address 请用印刷体书写 Please write your name and address in print. 姓名和地址请用印刷体书写。书 in cursive. Shuā, book. To write, document. 书写 to write. Please write your name and address in print. 姓名和地址请用印刷体书写。书 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 书. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.